Okay guys, I'll show you how to create landscape material so you can go ahead and paint the landscape. Set my brush here so I can show you. So this is kind of what we're going for. Different types of material. So I have four different types. So this demo I'll show you how to make four. It's probably going to be several videos for this because this demo's kind of long. Alright, so here's how you start. Alright, you want to first create a landscape material folder. So you already have one made, but I'll make a new one here for you guys. So I'll call everything like landscape material 2, okay? Landscape material 2. Oh, no space. And then double click inside that folder. So I'm in my content browser, okay? Landscape material 2, there it is. Double click inside there, and then you want to make a new material. Okay, so go to add import and go to material. Okay, and this is just landscape material 2. Okay, next you're going to go ahead and double click on this, and here's what you need to do. Alright, so this window pops up after you double click on it. That's your landscape material editor. And you want to be able to access your content folder, okay? And we're going to add a few textures, okay? We're going to make 4 different materials, okay, that are connected to this one main material. And you'll see what I mean here in a little bit. But you want to utilize the textures that are made already to make the materials, okay? Textures are like individual files. It's like a sample, okay? So go to content right here, and then go to textures. Sorry, wrong one. Content, and then go to starter content, okay? And then go to textures. So I have a lot of folders in here. And we're going to start off by adding the textures for the grass, okay? And let's see here, we want ground moss right here, this one. Drag that into our working window, okay? And then we want, let's see here, bush normal. Let's see, it's in alphabetical order, so it kind of helps a little bit. There's this one right here. Add that. And then you want to add concrete panels. Let's see. This one right here. Scroll out. Okay, once you have that in, you can maximize. Once you have those textures in, you can maximize this window. Okay. And we're going to need a little bit of space. You're going to utilize this main hub here. Okay. Move these over just a little bit more. Okay. Pressing right-clicking this down will move everything around for you. Okay. Alright, we're going to go ahead and start adding a bunch of nodes here. Let's see, the first one is, let's see here, it's called make material. So we're going to right click. What you do is you right click, and this is going to be to the right of all this. So you right click and you type in make material. There it is, make material attributes. That's this right here. Okay, we only need to add this once. We're going to copy this and use it a few times. And then you need to add, let's see here, you know what, we're going to connect these. So where it says RGB on the top of these, we're going to go ahead and connect them to different connections. The texture sample for the grass, we'll connect that to our base color. The bush normal, that's this one right here. We're going to connect this to normal. So let me see here. There's normal right there. And then you're going to connect the bottom example that we have to roughness. Right there. Okay. So that kind of adds that texture feel to roughness. Okay. And then next, you're going to add landscape layer coordinates. So you type in landscape, and then just go to layer chords. It's this one right here. Click on that. Okay, and that's going to go all the way to the left over here. And then you want to add something called multiply. So you right click. Okay, when I say add something, you right click. Okay, multiply. All right. And we want to connect our layer chords, this right here, to A. Okay. And then here, what you do next is hold down the number 1 on your keyboard. Hold down the number 1, and then just left click on your mouse. Okay, and then this will show up. All right. This is adding. I think what this is adding is like a sheen to it. Okay. So change the value to 0.25. This has to be selected, the new node you just made, and then connect this to the B. Okay. And then what you're going to do is you're going to connect the multiply to the UV connection. Okay. All right, next we have one more item to add here. It's called Landscape Layer Blend. Right here, Landscape Layer Blend. Move this over just a little bit. And here's where you're going to actually add your layers. Okay, so have this selected, and then over on our details panel on our left here, see this plus right here, hit that 3 times, actually 4 times. Okay, so 0, 1, 2, 3. All right, and then what you do is you'll expand each one of these, and the first layer, layer name, all you're going to do is change the name on these. Okay, that's going to be grass. And then the second one, just with this little expander, that's going to be rock. 2, this will be gravel. And then the last one, this will be snow. Notice how they add over here on the node. Kind of neat, right? Okay. And then this whole first section, this is our grass, right? So you just connect this to your grass. Right there. Okay. And then we might as well do this right now. You're going to connect do one more thing. I'm going to add your break material attribute. So right click over here, break material attribute, this one right there. Okay, sorry for the pause there. And the break material attribute, connect here, here, and zoom in on this. Base color goes to base color. Roughness goes to roughness. Normal goes to normal. Okay. All right. So this is part 1. Next video we'll add other materials.